Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you love travel content like this. Today, we're diving into the hidden gem of the Caucasus region, Azerbaijan. From the bustling city of Baku to the jaw-dropping landscapes in the countryside, this country is packed with amazing spots you absolutely must see. Let's get right into the top 10 must-see spots in Azerbaijan. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. Starting off in the heart of the capital, we've got Baku Boulevard. This 25-kilometer-long promenade runs along the Caspian Sea and offers stunning views of the city's skyline. It's the perfect place to relax, take a stroll, or even rent a bike. There are parks, cafes, and even a small amusement park along the way. And don't miss the iconic Baku Eye, Azerbaijan's version of the London Eye. Baku Boulevard is the perfect way to kick off your adventure in this vibrant city. This one is for all the architecture lovers out there. The Heydar Aliyev Center is a futuristic masterpiece designed by the legendary Zaha Hadid. Its flowing, wave-like design is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Inside, you'll find exhibitions showcasing Azerbaijan's culture, art, and history. Even if museums aren't your thing, the building alone is worth the visit. Get your cameras ready because this is one of the most Instagrammable spots in Baku. No list of Baku's top attractions is complete without mentioning the Flame Towers. These three skyscrapers are a symbol of modern Baku and can be seen from pretty much anywhere in the city. At night, they light up in a stunning display that looks like flickering flames. If you're lucky enough to stay in a hotel inside one of these towers, you'll get some of the best views of the city. Even if you're just passing by, make sure to check out the light show at night. It's seriously epic. Let's step outside of Baku for a bit and explore some ancient history. Gobustan National Park is home to more than 6,000 rock carvings dating back 40,000 years. You can see ancient petroglyphs, explore mud volcanoes, and even visit a prehistoric cave. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is like stepping back in time, and the scenery, absolutely surreal. You've got barren landscapes that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Gobustan is a short drive from Baku and is perfect for a half-day trip. Ever seen a mountain that's been on fire for centuries? Yana Dag, also known as the Burning Mountain, is exactly that. This natural gas fire has been blazing non-stop for over 1,000 years. It's one of the weirdest yet coolest things you'll see in Azerbaijan. The flames are most visible at night, so plan to visit around sunset for the best experience. You'll feel like you're witnessing a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. Back in Baku, we're heading into the Old City, or Ikerishehir. This walled city is a maze of narrow alleys, ancient buildings, and hidden courtyards. You can easily spend a whole day here exploring its historical treasures. Make sure to visit the Maiden Tower, an iconic 12th century structure with panoramic views at the top. The Palace of the Shirvanshahs is another must-see. It's a beautiful example of medieval Islamic architecture. Wandering through the old city feels like stepping into a different era. Now let's talk about one of the lesser-known but truly fascinating spots just outside of Baku, the Ateshga Fire Temple. This ancient Hindu and Zoroastrian temple has been a pilgrimage site for centuries and is famous for its eternal flame, fed by natural gas reserves beneath the ground. Walking through the stone courtyard and seeing the eternal fire burning in the temple's altar is a unique experience that gives you a deep sense of the region's spiritual history. It's a hidden gem that adds a mystical touch to your Azerbaijani adventure. Now we're heading further out to the picturesque town of Sheki. The main attraction here, the stunning Sheki Khan's Palace. This 18th century palace is famous for its colorful stained glass windows and intricate wall paintings. The craftsmanship is mind-blowing. Every detail is a work of art. The palace is small, but it's one of the most beautiful buildings in the entire country. Sheki itself is a charming town, surrounded by mountains, and is definitely worth a visit. If you're into nature and adventure, Gabala is the place to be. This scenic mountain region offers everything from hiking trails to skiing in the winter. Check out the Tufandag Mountain Resort. You can take a cable car ride with breathtaking views of the Caucasus Mountains. In summer, Gabala is a paradise for outdoor lovers with its lush forests and crystal-clear lakes. It's also home to the Gabala Shooting Club if you're in the mood for some action-packed activities. Gabala is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. You can't visit Azerbaijan without taking a dip in the Caspian Sea. There are plenty of beach resorts around Baku offering everything from relaxing beach days to water sports. Bilga Beach is one of the most popular spots with soft sands and clear waters. If you're looking for something more exclusive, head to the Sea Breeze Resort, which hosts the annual Jara Music Festival. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or just enjoying the seaside vibe, the Caspian coast has something for everyone. For those who love off-the-beaten-path adventures, don't miss the village of Xinaliq, one of the highest and oldest villages in the Caucasus, sitting at 2,300 meters above sea level. Surrounded by dramatic mountain landscapes, this remote village offers a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. The locals speak a unique language found nowhere else in the world, and their hospitality is something you won't forget. Trekking through the surrounding mountains and immersing yourself in the simple yet profound culture of Xinaliq is the perfect way to end your Azerbaijani journey. Topping our list is the picturesque mountain village of Lahij. Nestled in the Greater Caucasus, Lahij is like stepping into a fairy tale. Cobblestone streets, traditional stone houses, and mountain views make this village absolutely magical. It's famous for its copper artisans, so you can shop for handcrafted souvenirs while you're there. Lahij has managed to preserve its culture and traditions for centuries, and visiting feels like traveling back in time. If you're looking for authenticity and natural beauty, Lahij is a must-see. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 must-see spots in Azerbaijan. This country has so much to offer, from modern marvels in Baku to breathtaking nature in the countryside. Which spot would you visit first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome travel content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.